Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 1 minute. And you can buy this template from Patreon link in the description below for only $2. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up a blank slide and give the background fill. Next, we're going to go to Insert tab and we're going to insert a logo for our slide. We're going to move it to the left top corner. Next, we're going to insert text box in the right top corner in which we're going to write our text and increase its size. This is going to be our title, which represents what our template is about. We're going to insert a rectangle and remove its outline, change its fill to white, give it a shadow on the first number. We're going to increase its size, increase its blur, and increase its angle as well, and also the transparency so that it looks something like this. The next thing we're going to do is insert an image from our device or from PowerPoint. We're going to just fit it into the width of the rectangle. And here you go. Next, what we're going to do is just insert a text box just below it and add our text and other content. We're just going to duplicate the same rectangle along with image and the text one by one more many times, about 8 to 9 times, and then change our images on text box, duplicate your slide and move the ending of the rectangles into your slide. Now select both of your slides, go to transitions tab, give them morph transition and give them 50.00 time. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can buy this template from the link in the description below from my Patreon.